Hi, thanks for stopping by. This video is gonna be certainly helpful if you are trying to fix a regular keyboard. I will be fixing the spacebar key of a gaming keyboard Asus Cerberus in this video. This video will cover two parts of a keyboard fix. First, if your key is only dislodged or the cap is off, I will cover that. And if the latch of the keyboard itself is broken, I will cover that also in this video. This video is gonna be especially helpful to you if you have a very typical keyboard or the spare keys for which if you will not be able to find easily. Also, if you have a gaming keyboard that is very costly and just for the sake of one or two keys you don't want to buy a new one. On this channel, I will be putting videos about fixing and building things, and the videos will be very unique and very informative. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you are into that league. Since this video is about gaming keyboards and fixing keyboards, I will put up few links in the description you might want to check about great keyboards, both regular and gaming ones. On my system, I have this space key that is broken, so if you see on the left side it works quite well, but when we see on the right side it's kind of sagging, and the repair is almost applicable to all the keys, but it's probably predominantly this space key which is a bit complicated, and I'll show you how to fix this.
So to fix this you'll need a screwdriver, a glue gun, paper cutter would be good. If not, you can use anything that is sharp like a blade. A pair of tweezers will be good in case you need. And again, if you have at your disposal something like an Swiss knife or so, it will be good.
So what I'll try to do is just very gently I'll try to pry this out, and it does not matter which direction you're trying it from, just be gentle. So the left side has came apart. That is what I'm gonna be doing on the right hand side. I'm just trying to slice this inside so that to get a firm grip, and there we go. So we have it here. This is out, and now let me show you a bit closely how it looks. So the latch or the plastic inside the space key is broken. If you see it this way, you will be able to see the left side is broken, and I'll just show you how it looks on the right side. So this is how it should be, and this is the healthy one, this is the good one, and this is the broken one. So what we need to understand here is how it works. So this part, when we put back this key this way, this broken part, or maybe you can say this healthy part will fit onto this, and this broken part will fit onto this. And why the keyboard is not working properly is when it is put down and when we press it this way, there is nothing to hold here, and that is why your keyboard goes this way when we press it here. So let's do something that fixes this problem, and for that I'll be using my good old glue gun. So I'll just warm it up. The best way to start is to start very slowly, and I will start with filling it on the bottom first, because it's really not gonna harm if you fill a lot at the bottom, but at the same time it will give you a good grip. So there you go. What I'm doing is I'm putting a lot inside so that I have a good grip here. And let me come close, and what I'm gonna do further is just fill this up and fill this part so that just barely touches it, and again going back and forth. And yes, we're done. So this is how it looks like. It looks a bit scary, but this is gonna fix it. So what I've done some more is, I started from the left side. I put some glue here, and what I did is I have put some more to reinforce it on the other side also. and I got lucky because this is what we need here. If you see this void inside where I'm putting it, this is what we need. If you don't get this, and what we'll need to do is just take anything pointed, and when this glue is settled, just make a hole like this. So what we are trying to replicate is here is the way this is, this it fix inside. So the same way it should come on this side as well, the right side. And what now I'm gonna do is I will just see this groove, this one, how deep from the level it is, because see I need it to be the same both on the both sides. So I can see it is almost to the level of this one, whereas but I can see here is I don't really see that it is close enough. So what I will be doing is I will be using this pointed rounder, and I will be making it just so that we can replicate what we have on the other side. I will flip it, try to do the same thing here, and I'm trying it very gently, so otherwise we may get this may come out. So as far as I can see, we have made some progress, so I'll keep going. So let me put up a word of caution as well here. uh, the heat from the glue is not so much that it will melt the plastic. So when you're fixing this with a glue gun, it is probably not gonna melt the plastic, but at the same time, this one right now it is not hot, and at the same time, if you're not cautious enough and you touch with the tip of the glue gun somewhere here or so for a long time, this will melt it away. So just be very cautious when you're doing it. One more thing we need to validate is like the level. I mean, how much high this one is should be exactly or almost close to what this is. So if there is too much of it, what we can do is just take a razor blade and carefully just cut it out. And you should be careful, like since this glue is gonna be soft, it should be easy to cut, but if you feel if you need to do it too hard, then you're possibly cutting the plastic itself which is inside. So again, a word of caution for that as well. So to go further, what we'll need to do is we'll need to get this out, and I happen to have this kind of tool. I don't know what to call this, but you can try it anything with similar, or maybe you can try it with a screwdriver or so. Just use whatever we want, and yes, just be gentle. That is always the word. And again on this side, there you go, and we have this out. Just keep it safe, don't lose it. So we are almost there. Now it's time to put this back in, and just in case you are not sure will it go this way or this way, just try to see there should be some marking. For example, here we have a small this protrusion here which will go inside here, so which means it's gonna fit this way. And as we remember, this one was somewhere like this, so again, which means that it will go this way here, and that is what we have fixed. And now since this is fixed, this left side is fixed, so we don't know how this is gonna fit inside at first place. So to begin with, what we will be doing is the right side that is the correct one. on the right side, what we are going to do is fix this one first. So just gently press it. So this line acts as a guide now. The next thing we are going to do is to set this up slightly this way, and again we will come back on the left side. We'll take this and just try to match it with what it is at the bottom. So this is kind of a bit tricky, but like once you get a hang of it, you'll certainly know what you're doing. Yeah, I think I'm almost there. So now if I try to show you up and bit close, this is how it should be. The left side, there is a small latch inside which has locked this side of the wire, and the same thing is done on this side. And this tire is a bit sturdy because we have fixed this side with the glue. And now what we will be doing is we will be matching this part. Let me put off the light. Okay, I've dimmed the light now, so let's try to fix this first. I'll try to fix this side of the latch, pressing it this way. So left side, right side. Let's see the output that we have got. Tapping on the left side, tapping on the right side, tapping on the center, and like you can see, there is no sag now. When I press on the right side, it's not sagging anymore. So the balancing part looks good. Now let me show you further how it performs when we type. I'll be telling you when I'm pressing the space bar with my left thumb, as well as when I'm pressing it with the right thumb. So let's go. Left thumb, right thumb, right thumb, left thumb, right thumb, left thumb, right thumb, left right, left right, left right, left right, left right, left right, left right. So as we can see, this is working perfectly. I'm waiting for my Nobel Prize. Where it is. And since this video is about fixing gaming keyboard, I would like to know from you, what is your favorite keyboard? Let me know that in the comments. And that's it. Let me know if this video has been helpful to you. Let me know in the comments. And again, if you liked it, if the video has been helpful to you, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to this channel. You might also want to check my other channel where I do detailed reviews about gadgets and everything all around. I will put that somewhere in the description, as well as there will be some card here so that you can check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.